So I just got this new tabletop ice maker that I'm really excited to be able to use. It's got a lot of different functions to be able to make the right amount of ice, and the instructions give you really easy instructions of how to do that. The thing that I really like about this is it has two different ways to add water. So you can either add water manually, which I'm going to do. And you just fill it up into that top reservoir. Or the other option is that you can connect a bottle to it. So for instance, one of those 1 or 3 gallon bottles can connect right onto the top, and then you place this inside of there. And you will be able to have your water going straight from that water bottle instead of having to refill the reservoir every time that it's empty. So I'm going to fill my reservoir all the way up, and then we're going to start making some ice, and I'll give you a close-up view of the ice maker itself. Okay, so now as you can see, after I have filled my tank up with water, I can see that the on-off light is flashing there, and then I can just go ahead and press the on button, and water will begin to flow into my ice container. So as you can see right now, I just opened up the lid just to show you how the ice is being made. But it just runs through the cubes, and it seems like it's pretty quickly making ice. So it's been running for about 7 minutes or so, and I would say the ice is about halfway made. So this is going to be a great way for us to have ice for our cocktails and drinks and whatever else. Alrighty, so here we have it. Our first batch of ice is ready, and we can go ahead and press to have it dumped. And there you go. As you see, the ice falls right in. We can pull our ice bucket out, and we have some nice freshly made ice. If you want the ice to be thicker or firmer, you can actually just go ahead and let the ice stay in there longer, and you can change the settings just depending on how you want your ice. So a really great way to have a countertop ice maker.